Adding Calendly to your WordPress website using Elementor lets visitors book directly to your site. Here's a step-by-step guide to integrate Calendly with Elementor. Log into Calendly and copy your embed code. Start by logging into your Calendly account, then select the event type you want to embed. Click on Share and choose Add to Website. You will see three options: Inline Embed, Pop-up Widget, or Pop-up Text. Select your preferred option, then copy the HTML code provided. Open Elementor in WordPress. Log into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the page where you want to add Calendly, and open it with the Elementor editor. Add an HTML widget. In Elementor, look for the HTML widget in the left panel. Drag and drop this widget onto the section where you would like Calendly to appear. Paste the Calendly embed code. In the HTML widget's content area, paste the Calendly embed code you copied. This will load your Calendly booking tool directly on the page. Save and publish. After embedding, click Update or Publish to save the changes. Preview the page to ensure Calendly displays correctly.